Hi, Jenny Wolfe here with UDC. What would happen if your gas utility risk model could run in hours instead of days and show you exactly where on your network your highest risk lives? Well, that's what happens when Microsoft Fabric meets ArcGIS geoanalytics engine. Fabric gives you one unified foundation for every source. So SCADA, soil information, weather, landing in one lake. Geoanalytics adds native spatial intelligence on top, so things that you're used to, like proximity, clustering, at a very large scale. Here at UDC, we have a real example. In one single Fabric notebook, we can pull together the gas mains, the leaks, excavation data straight from one lake. Geoanalytics does the heavy lifting. It aggregates the data and outputs the consequence scores and the total risk scores for each segment in the network. A machine learning model layers on predictive analysis. The output, a DIMP risk prediction dashboard in Power BI with high-risk assets ranked, mapped, and ready for preventative and maintenance work orders. And we don't just stop at the dashboard. An AI agent sits on top of it, so an engineer can just ask, what is the highest risk segment in this district and why? The agent reads the model, it queries the data, and it returns your answer in plain language. So no SQL and no having to sit around and wait for an analyst for the answer. Faster analysis, evidence-based decisions, and safer networks. Fabric produces the intelligence, ArcGIS delivers the spatial experience, and AI agents make it accessible through conversation. Come see the UDC team at the Esri User Conference in San Diego at booth 919, and we look forward to discussing your use cases of how Microsoft Fabric and ArcGIS geoanalytics can turn your data into decisions a lot faster. See you there.